Welcome to Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Today we're going on a magical adventure with Charlie and his friends. Are you ready? Let's go.
Wow! I can't believe I have a golden ticket. This is going to be the best day ever.
Welcome, welcome. I'm Willy Wonka, and today you're in for a treat. Follow me and let the adventure begin.
Is that really chocolate?
It sure is pure creamy chocolate, but remember, no swimming allowed.
I can't resist, just one sip.
Augustus leans over and falls into the river. The Oompa Loompas appear, singing and helping him out.
Oompa Loompa, doompity-doo. Augustus learned a lesson for you. Don't be greedy, just enjoy the view.
Willy Wonka leads the group to a room filled with crazy inventions. Violet sees a piece of gum.
What's this gum do, Mr. Wonka?
That, my dear, is a 3-course meal in a stick, but it's not ready yet.
Violet, are you okay?